Draw a neat sketch of the graph of g of x is equal to a multiplied by b to the power of x plus q if a is equal to 1. So it means a is positive, is greater than 0. And then again, we have b as less than 1 but greater than 0, right? So it means the value of b may be 1 divided by 2 or 1 divided by 3 or 1 divided by 4, etc., right? As long as it's less than 1 but greater than 0. And then now we have the horizontal asymptote. So the horizontal asymptote is equal to -1, right? So it means q is -1. Now, if we have this type of equation, and then we know that a is positive, right? So it's 1 multiplied by, inside the brackets, let's say we have 1 divided by 2, because 1 divided by 2 is greater than 0 but less than 1. So that's the value of b to the power of x, and then we have -1, right? And then if we draw this the graph of this equation, we are going to get the graph of g. So now we have the Cartesian plane, we have 0 here. Now let's say x is equal to -1. And then what about the y value? We are going to say 1 into 1 divided by 2 to the power of -1 minus 1. So remember, 1 divided by 2 is the same as 2 to the power of -1. So it's -1 times -1. We get what? We get 2 minus 1, we get 1 there. And then if x is equal to 0, we have what? 1 times into 1 divided by 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Minus 1, we get 0, right? It means our graph will pass through the origin. And then let's say x is equal to 1. So it's 1 times into 1 divided by 2 to the power of 1. So we get 1 divided by 2 minus 1. We get -1 divided by 2. So when we draw the graph, we know that the graph will decrease, will take this shape, right? So it will be a decreasing function. But first we draw the line of the horizontal asymptote, right? This line will go through y equals to -1. So we know that the graph will take this shape, right? And then this will be the graph of g. It will go through the origin. And then you get your marks for doing this. Peace, guys.